Welcome to my Auto Snap channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a car that's quickly becoming a standout in the EV landscape. As BYD continues to rise as a global force in electric vehicle manufacturing, the Atto 3 reflects a fresh approach to design and performance, offering buyers not just an eco-friendly ride, but one that's packed with features. Let's explore how the 2025 version of this SUV is stepping up to give traditional gas-powered competitors a serious run for their money. The Atto 3 sports a sleek, modern look that's eye-catching and efficient. BYD has refined the exterior with smoother lines and a slightly bolder front fascia, aiming for an aerodynamic style that both looks great and helps improve range. LED headlights and a redesigned grille give it a refined presence on the road, while its compact size makes it well-suited to urban and suburban environments alike. The wheel options range from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the trim, which offers buyers some choices in terms of aesthetics and performance. This is a vehicle that's crafted for those who want the benefits of an EV without sacrificing style or road presence. When it comes to the interior, BYD hasn't held back on comfort and technology. The 2025 Atto 3 is equipped with BYD's new e-Platform 3.0, designed to optimize the EV experience. This platform underpins the Atto 3's spacious and futuristic interior, featuring a rotating 15.6-inch touchscreen that allows users to switch seamlessly between landscape and portrait orientations. The infotainment system is intuitive and highly responsive, compatible with all major smartphone operating systems. Soft-touch materials, ergonomic seating, and ambient lighting create a relaxing and modern feel, making the cabin a pleasant place to be, whether it's for short commutes or long trips. There's ample cargo space too, thanks to a flexible rear seating arrangement, making it ideal for families or anyone with an active lifestyle. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Atto 3 features BYD's Blade battery technology. This battery type has been engineered for maximum safety and efficiency, with a range that's estimated at around 400 kilometers on a single charge, though actual performance will vary depending on driving conditions and usage. Charging is convenient, with options for fast DC charging that can take the battery from 20% to 80% in just over 30 minutes. The vehicle also supports AC charging for those who want to plug in overnight at home. With regenerative braking and several drive modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, drivers can tailor the vehicle's performance to match their needs and conserve battery when desired. The Atto 3 isn't just about range and comfort, it brings a decent dose of performance too. The electric motor generates a respectable 150 kW, which translates to around 200 horsepower, and it has a torque output of approximately 310 Nm. These numbers ensure a lively and responsive drive, with 0 to 100 km per hour in around 7.3 seconds, making it quicker than many of its direct competitors. The low center of gravity, a benefit of having the battery placed in the vehicle's floor, gives it a balanced, stable feel on the road, while its suspension is tuned for a mix of comfort and handling precision. On the safety front, the Atto 3 is packed with features, from multiple airbags and stability control to advanced driver assistance systems. BYD has included a suite of sensors and cameras for functions like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. These systems add an extra layer of confidence for drivers, particularly in busy urban settings where extra awareness is invaluable. Combined with a sturdy frame and the safety credentials of the Blade battery, the Atto 3 ranks as one of the safer options in the EV segment. The pricing of the 2025 BYD Atto 3 makes it even more appealing, with BYD targeting an affordable range that will allow more people to make the switch to electric driving. This strategy has seen BYD rapidly expand its market presence, especially in regions that prioritize eco-friendly vehicles. With governments worldwide pushing for reductions in emissions, the Atto 3 is well positioned to capture a growing demand for accessible electric vehicles. The combination of style, performance, and practicality makes the Atto 3 a compelling option for anyone considering an EV. In summary, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a great example of what modern electric vehicles should strive for. With its blend of range, interior space, cutting-edge technology, and a price point designed to appeal to a wide audience, it embodies the future of driving.